Hi guys, today we're going to show you guys how to navigate and use our app called Smart Split. First and foremost, it's very essential for all our users to have signed up with us, ensuring that every user has a personalized experience with our application. So over here we are just signing up. We're signing up with our name, email address, and then we will then generate a password for this application. Once the application password has been generated, we then go ahead and confirm the password. But for instance, we have input the password incorrectly when confirming. We will then have to ensure that we input the correct password. Then it will allow us to sign up. Once we signed up, we then go back and will continue to app so that we're able to continue using the application. So over here we meet with the home page and we will then add a group. So group's name is very essential so that we know which group is for what and who is in the group. So we then select our members and we add the group. We're going to add another group called open source. Once we've named the group, we're going to select the members and add the group. Now that our groups are created, we are then going to add an expense. Now we're going to name the expense. This is very important so that we know what the expense are for, the amount at which the expense is, and also select which members are part of that group for that particular expense. So over here we have car rental and the amount will be 4,000. We'll select the members that are involved. So we'll say Nazneen, Judith and Julie, or just Nazneen and Judith, and add the expense. And as you can see, the expense is added. We're going to just do another one to just show you guys again. This time the expense is lunch and the amount would be 100 Rand. We're going to select our members once again. Once we've selected our members, we then add expense and we'll see that the expense was added. After pressing add, we can see that the expense is now added. We can see car and lunch as well. So we're just going to add another expense to ensure that the users are well equipped on adding expense so that there's no errors. Once again, name the expense, enter the amount and select the members who are part of that expense. Once that's done, you can add the expense and it will appear there. So now expense is added. We'll go back to home where we can see over here it says how much you're owed, the different groups, and the recent activities of which expense is which. So now over here we have the notification, the online sync, and the multilingual. So if we had to switch our language to Afrikaans, as you can see automatically, the app is now in Afrikaans. So everything is going to be in Afrikaans. The steps are exactly the same. This is to ensure that all users from different backgrounds in South Africa are able to navigate the app in their local language and are comfortable with it. So the same process applies even though it's just different languages. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching our video. We have come to the end of it. This is just me showing the progress and the steps of how to do it, but it's just the same steps that I did in English.